Welcome back. This is Gemma Tips. We are looking at changing the subject of a formula. We are going to make the ones in red ink the subject of formula in the following formulas. So we are asked to make arrow the subject of formula in V equal to 4 all over 3 pi r cube. Maybe this V is not performing well in his government, so they want to change him to this other guy so that they will know if this guy will perform better. So to do this, the first step here is to multiply this 3 by V. You have 3V equal to 4 pi r cube. Okay, so from here now, mind you, we are looking for r. We want to make r the subject, but here we have r cube. So we are going to divide both sides. We are going to divide both sides by 4 pi. Please, you can be writing this down, the steps. Dividing both sides by 4 pi. When you do this 4 pi will cancel out 4 pi, and you have r cube equal to 3v all over 4 pi. Okay, since we are looking for just r, here, we are going to multiply 1 all over 3 in order to have I standing alone. So when you multiply 1 all over 3 to both sides, you have this all raised to power 1 all over 3. So you see now that 3 times 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this other side will give us r raised to power 1. So no need of writing it. Equal to this one here. Let's maintain it. V all over 4 pi all raised to power 1 all over 3. And funny enough, this is our answer. But you can also express this very one as, let me write it down here. You can also express this as 3v all over 4 pi, that is the cube root of that. So this is also correct. Okay, so let's move over to the second part. In case you don't understand why this is written as this, from your indices, we all know that 1 all over 3 is same thing as this. So same. Okay, so the second one here, x equal to 2 pi h plus 2 pi r square. We are going to be solving this also. We want to make h a subject of formula here. So in this very problem here, you can see that in this order, the right hand side, only h is appearing in only this other part. So you have to subtract 2 pi r square from both sides. Just subtract from both sides. You have x minus 2 pi r squared equal to 2 pi h plus 2 pi r squared minus 2 pi r squared. And of course, this one here will cancel out. 2 pi r squared minus this is 0. So you are left with this one here now. Let's take this one to this other side so that it will be a little bit easy for us to understand. Then take this one to this other. Still the same thing, right? So x minus 2 pi r squared. So here now, you are going to divide both sides by the quotient of h, because we are looking for just this h. So when you divide everything by the quotient of h, that is 2 pi, equal to x minus 2 pi r squared all over 2 pi. And here, cancelling out, you have h equal to x minus 2 pi r squared all over 2 pi. So this is our answer. You can also express this one as h equal to x all over 2 pi minus 2 pi r squared all over 2 pi. And here we cancel out, you have h equal to x all over 2 pi minus r squared. So what you have here and this one, they are all the same. So let's move over to the third one. We have s squared equal to a squared into 1 minus w squared. We want to make a the subject of formula, and here we have a squared. So how do we do this? We are going to divide both sides by 1 minus s w squared. When you do that, you have s squared divided by 1 minus w squared equal to a squared into 1 minus w squared divided by 1 minus w squared. And this one here will cancel out. We'll left with, let me write this very one this side. A squared equal to s squared all over 1 minus w squared. So from here now, since we have a squared here, we are going to find the square root of both sides. When you do that, you have square root of this equal to square root of s squared all over 1 minus w squared. And these two will cancel out the square root. You're left with the whole of base 1 minus w squared as your final answer. Okay, so in the comment section, I want you to make w the subject of formula in this same problem, in this same equation. Make w the subject of formula. Let me see your answers in the comment section. Follow for more.